Hi children, welcome back to our channel Physics with Nagesh. Today we are going to discuss about the image formed by plane surfaces. Image formed by plane surfaces. See, it is a plane surface. It is the plane surface. In front of this, I placed the one point size object. Point size object O. So from here, light ray incident on the mirror, and again coming back to the mirror. Why it is coming back? Nothing but whenever light ray incidenting perpendicularly, there is no chance to reflection. Sorry, there is no chance to move certain angle, so that it will come back. Now another light ray incidenting at certain point, as we discussed earlier, at the point of incident, we should draw the one normal line. Light ray incidenting here, with how much angle the light ray incident, with that much angle only the light ray will be reflected. As from the laws of reflection, as we discussed from the laws of reflection, with how much angle incidenting, with that much angle only the light ray will be reflected. So this light ray, if you extend at certain distance, if you observe this light ray from this end, we coming to know that the light ray is coming from this side. This side it appears to come from this side. It is an extended reflector ray. It is also extended reflector ray. Both are intersecting here. So that here image will be formed. So only one side. No, this side also light ray we can consider. This side also light ray is considered. Now light ray incidented here. Now we have to draw the line. Perpendicular to this mirror, with how much angle incident to light ray, with that much angle only the light ray will be reflected. If we extend this one, so it is intersecting here. So it is a formation of the image. So in case of it is point sized object. It is about the point sized object. In case of I consider sized object. ఇది పాయింట్ సైజ్ ఉన్న ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మిర్రర్ ముందు పెట్టినప్పుడు ఇమేజ్ ఫార్మేషన్ రే డయాగ్రామ్ ఈ విధంగా ఉంటుంది. మనం సర్టెన్ సైజ్ ఉన్న ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మిర్రర్ ముందు పెట్టినప్పుడు హౌ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఇమేజ్ ఫార్మ్. లెట్ us discuss for that. In front of the mirror, right? It is mirror. Size of object I placed it is A and B. From this side one light ray incident perpendicularly on the mirror. So the light ray is coming back from here, incidenting again coming back. One more light ray incidenting on this, normally the light ray also reflected normally back. One more light ray from the bottom of the object, if you consider from the bottom of the object, light ray incidenting here. At the point of incidence, not only should draw angle of incidence this much, and it is an angle of reflection. If you extend it will intersect here. Okay now? Next, another light ray incidenting here is reflect from here. Normal and reflecting, extending. It will be intersecting. So this is the size of the object. How much size is there? Same size of the image we can see in the mirror. You can see in the mirror. Okay, now, so it is a A dash and a B dash. What are the characteristics? Characteristic is image size equals to size of the object or object size it is, and moreover it is the virtual image and erect nothing but upright. అంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మనము మిర్రర్ ముందు ప్లే చేసినప్పుడు ఎలాగైతే దీని హెడ్ పైకి ఉందో ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ అయినప్పుడు కూడా దాని హెడ్ పైకే ఉంటుంది. సో టాప్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద టాప్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ వి కన్సిడర్ 2 rays, ఫ్రమ్ ది బాటమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఆల్సో వి కన్సిడర్ 2 rays. అంటే ఒక 2 rays పాసిబుల్ అవుతాయా అంటే నో నాట్ లైక్ దట్. ఫర్ అవర్ బెటర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ we are taking the only 2 rays. There is a number of waves, number of rays will come it is. Okay now, so this is the ray diagram for image formation by plane mirror. Yes, another subtopic is field view of the mirror. What is the field view? Field view of the mirror. What is the field view? It is a plane mirror. It is a plane mirror. In the front of the plane mirror, we place one object. As we discussed earlier, one light ray incident normally again will come back, and another ray is reflecting in this way. Another ray is reflecting in this, incidenting in this way. Wherever light ray incident, there we have to draw a normal. It will be reflecting in this manner. It will be reflecting in this manner. It will be reflecting in this manner. These are the reflector rays. If we extend them, it will meet at point. This extended reflector ray will meet at certain point. So from here also the light rays are reflecting this. This reflector ray extends. If you extend this reflector ray, all the reflector rays will converge at a point. So this intersection point of all the reflector rays is called image. Intersection point of all the reflector rays is called image. See children, a person is walking here. Can you see image of this object? Yes, definitely you can see the image of the object from this position. Instead of here, the person is sat here. Simply sat here from this person. So he is observing the image. Can you see this image of the object? Yes, definitely you can see it. Why? Because the light rays are coming from this point. They appears to come this point. So instead of sitting here, the person is standing here. Can you see the image of the object? No, you couldn't see the image of the object. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇమేజ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇమేజ్ చూడొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ కూర్చున్నప్పుడు కూడా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇమేజ్ చూడొచ్చు, అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారు. కానీ ఎప్పుడైతే అబ్జర్వర్ పరిశీలకుడు ఈ లైట్ రేస్ నుంచి కాకుండా కొంచెం దూరంగా ఈ ప్రాంతంలో అయితే అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాడో ఈ రిఫ్లెక్టర్ రేస్ పరావర్తన రేఖలైతే ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అబ్జర్వర్కు రీచ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఈజ్ నాట్ రీచింగ్ దిస్ ఆల్ ది రిఫ్లెక్టర్ రేస్. All the reflector rays is not reaching, so that he couldn't see the image of the object. So the distance from here to here, at what distance we can see, up to what distance you can see, the total distance can be defined as a field view of the mirror. So as for the definition, how to define nothing but it is extreme reflector, the distance between the from here to here, the distance between the extreme reflector rays is called field view. The distance between the extreme reflector rays. The field view of the mirror is completely depends on the position of the object. Completely depends on the position of the object. So remaining, what is the image, how many kinds of image, and what is the velocity of object and mirror image, we can discuss in the next class.